not the biggest fan of them because they don't look like this. If they look like this, then I'd be happy. But they don't look like this. They're not what I was expecting. They don't look like that. You get me? So what I'm going to do is I'm getting new ones. I'm going to get some, probably the older M3 style ones, which look like this, but they don't look like this. Get me? So yeah, I'm going to get some new ones, but this is still the video to watch because the process of how I did it is all basically exactly the same. All I'm doing is going to change the DRLs over, the halo lights over, but this is still the video to watch.
Like Moses, red bombs on the shoes like it's roses. I'm sorry I could never see you down. I'm sorry I could never turn you frown. I'm sorry always fall by the drown. Niggas wanna stop me like some red light.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy DG. It's your boy Griff, and you're damn right, and you already know how the thing goes. We're back with another video. Now in this video, I'm gonna be changing my headlights from the normal halogen headlights to the M4 style headlights. So I'm going to show you what they look like. They look like that. Wait, which way will the swipe be? Whichever way the swipe is, I'm going to swipe it in and they look like that anyway. So yes, basically what I've done. So there's a spare set of halogen headlights which I've just bought. So they're normal E90 halogen headlights. I've just bought them because they're the ones I'm going to do it on. Because the ones that are on my car, I want to keep them as spares just in case. So bought a spare set of them. These are the DRLs. So they're the same shape as the M4 and M3 ones, the FSeries. This is the wiring loom. So I'm going to show you guys how to wire all of that up. But first, what I need to do is I need to take these apart. Now, I've never done this before. I've Googled it. So I'm going to try. It's either going to go one way or go the other way. I either just wasted £100 on 2 new headlights or it's going to go to plan. But that's the first thing that I need to do. So I've managed to get the front lens off the light assembly. So there's no point in showing you how to do it. So I'm just going to tell you what to do, show you on the light and explain what to do. It's pretty simple. It's simple, but it's a very tedious job. So it'll take a while, but it's not hard at all. A baby can do it. All you'll need is a heat gun and a screwdriver. Heat gun, screwdriver, Stanley knife. That's it. So let me explain to you what I did. This is the one that's obviously off. This one's still on. So basically, around here, around the edges, it's all glued on. So basically what you need to do is heat it up. So I'd work on a small area at a time. So I'll do this part. Heat that up. Get the knife, Stanley knife, cut down the edge, pry up. So easy with the Stanley knife. Sorry, once you've heated it up. Do that all the way around. And then what happened will be glue here. And then if you look here, it kind of goes down at the back. There's a little ledge here and then a ledge there. On the inside, there's more glue there. So what you need to do is, once you've pried this up, get the screwdriver behind it, hook it, and then slowly, very gently and slowly, just kind of, and you'll hear it just break apart from the glue. And then do that all the way around. Pretty simple. So that's the look so far. I've stuck them in. I guess I'm gonna wait for. I've stuck them in with the pads. I'll put super glue on them, a little bit dollops, just like not a lot. So if I need to move them or I need to make any adjustments, I can. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna start this one while that one's drying. But I'm fucking hoping it looks good, man. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed if it doesn't look good. So you can't really see it because of the way the lights shine on it, but that's what it looks like at the moment. Obviously, you've got the new halo rings, normal halogen lights with the new halo rings in. These are what are going to plug in to the wiring loom, which is obviously there. Going to finish off taking this light apart now. And friggin' hell, I tell you what, I'm not looking forward. It's just long, it's just tedious, isn't it? Like, it just takes, blood. But you know what? Let's get it! Now I've come back to do it, I've realised, obviously the first light, that was the first time I've done it. So I kind of maybe potentially fucked it up a little bit. Let me just show you. Can't tell it now, but these two are slightly not pointing the same way. that one is pointing slightly away. The reason for that, because what I should have done is, so you know the outside circle on the light, yeah, that goes all the way around, I should have used that as the guide. I should have put the back of the light on there, so the back of that would have been on there, and the back of that would have been on there, and then super glued it on. But what I've done is, as you can see, the side there, but then the front of the light is just in the front of the DRL is just in front of the ring, if that makes sense. So it's not pointing straight. And it's partly the same story with that one. So what I've done on these ones is, as you can see, I've used the back. So this ring here, I've used that as the guide. So the back of this is always touching that, if that makes sense. So the light is pointing in the same direction. The DRLs are both pointing in the same direction, and they're pointing in the same direction as the actual light bulbs themselves. On this one, didn't do that. So I've kind of fucked this one up. But at some point, obviously we can sort it out and get some more rings and another light and do that. But, you know, it's my first go, so fuck it. So now I'm going to do the wiring loom. So how it comes is, so I know a couple people, what a couple of people have done is they haven't bothered using the wiring loom. They have connected these, so the lights for the DRLs, directly into the lights for the normal side lights. Now, if your normal side lights come on as DRLs, that's fine. But my side lights don't come on as DRLs. My side lights only come on when I unlock the car, and then if I put it on that setting there. So automatic, I don't have DRLs. Not even the side lights, should I say. So what this is for, this is the wiring loom. So this wire here goes directly to the live, which on my car is there. This wire goes directly to the earth, which on my car is either that point there or this little box here. These are obviously plugged into the DRL, so one DRL, two DRLs. This white wire, and this other long black wire, they are REM wires. So the white wire is the main REM wire. So plug that into the ignition. If you can find the ignition wire, wrap it around there, put it into that. So that way the DRLs will always have power when the ignition is on. And that's the same for that wire there. That's a backup. So if this one fails, it can go off that one. Yeah. So obviously it all depends on where each individual thing is in your car. Whether you've got E90, F30, whatever it is, it all depends on where everything is. That's where they are in my car, so I'm going to start doing that. I don't believe I need to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Identify the wires, cut the wires. I've got them working now. So the car's locked at the moment. So as soon as I unlock the car, yeah, man. Obviously, they're not fucking shit on camera, I'll be honest. You can't even fucking see them properly. But in person, fuck, you know, mate. They're bright as fuck. Yeah, man, I'm happy with them still. And obviously, when you lock the car, they don't come off straight away. I think they go off after like, I think it's like 2 minutes or something. But, you know, that's not enough to like drain the battery in the car or anything, so it's all good. Right, so it's been a couple of days now. They're done. They're on the car. I had a bit of a problem because I didn't glue, the glue that I put on one of the lights wasn't strong enough, so I had to re-glue it. But if I'm honest, I'm getting them taken off anyway, and I'm changing them to this style. So that's the style I'm going to change them to. My friend's doing that for me, and I've given him lights. He's going to paint them, all of that, because I think they look better than the M4 ones I've got on at the moment. But anyway, enough talking. Let me show you what they look like. So the camera can't even really pick them up properly, if I'm honest, because they're bright as hell. So that's what they look like. And you can't really tell the shape of them. On camera, you can't really tell the shape of them. In person, you can. But yeah, so that's what they look like with the lights off. And then let me show you what they look like with the lights on as well. 1 second. So that's what they look like with the lights on. Wait, are the lights on? Nope, the lights aren't on. I'm moving wild. Moving mad. Right, okay, test again. There we go. Nope, okay, wait. There we go. Because obviously it's in the sun, so the auto lights aren't coming on. But yeah, so that's what they look like with the lights on. Once again, can't really fucking see them. So yeah, that's what they look like. Not the happiest with them, don't think they look the best. Hence why I'm changing them. So I'll give you guys an updated video once I've changed them. But everything else that I did in terms of taking the lights apart, the wiring harness, all of that still stands. So yeah, man. Super happy. So you can't even see them properly. That's like obviously on at night. They're kind of bright, but compared to what I expected them to look like, they look good. But compared to what I was expecting them to look like, they're fucking shit and I hate them. You can't even see them properly because they're like, yeah, right. They don't look bad, but compared to what I was expecting, they're fucking shit and I absolutely hate them. Let me show you what they look like with the lights on. They're not coming up on camera properly because like they're super bright. But let me show you what they look like.